Hello guys, so a little video work in progress here. I removed this rear bumper trim, you can see, and I gave a good clean inside here on the main bumper. It is very difficult to remove this old piece. The sand came from there and also the dirt. Here is the part I have removed, and it was impossible to remove it without hurt, so very bad. And actually I broke it on the process of removing, but not a big deal. I have new one here and will install it. Once again, does not matters what you use on the process. I will guarantee that you will break it or break at least one clip of it. It is very difficult job, at least it was for me. Now guys, I will insert new one, and here we are. The new trim is installed. The installation process is very easy. You only must push it to the right direction and it will clip on its place without any efforts. Be very careful not to break it, but in my case everything went very good and I like the final result I have here. New trim is installed and hopefully no one will damage it. On my car it was very difficult to find this part. So hope you enjoy the video. If you like, please subscribe. Goodbye.